Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 3690. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 3690 won't charge at all, you're not alone. This issue often stems from a worn-out battery or a faulty charging port. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further complications, making your device completely unusable. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Conga 3690. First, ensure your device is switched off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the plastic prying tool to open the casing. Gently insert it into the seam of the device and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, locate the battery. It's usually secured with a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to place them safely aside. As you extract the battery, remember to disconnect any cables attached to it, being cautious not to pull too hard on any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the old battery with the new one, ensuring all connectors are properly aligned and secure. Reattach any screws you removed earlier, applying a gentle amount of force to avoid stripping them. Once everything is in place, close the casing by pressing the edges firmly until you hear the clips snap back into position. To verify that your repair was successful, plug your device in and check for the charging indicator. If all is well, your Conga 3690 should begin charging again. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods and regularly check the charging port for debris. Regular maintenance can prolong the lifespan of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.